In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Notion as a calendar. We'll walk through a simple way to turn one of your Notion databases into a clean, easy to use calendar view. This is great for planning your schedule, tracking deadlines, or even managing content or projects, all inside Notion. First, open the Notion page that contains the database you want to use as a calendar. This might already be a table, list, or board view. What matters is that it's a database, not just a regular text page. Once you're on that database, look for the settings icon in the top right area of the view. It usually looks like 3 dots or a small menu button. Go ahead and click on that settings icon. This is where you control how your database looks and behaves. When the menu opens, you'll see a few different options related to how your data is displayed. From here, you want to find and click on the option labeled Layout. This is the section that lets you switch between different styles, like table, board, list, timeline, and of course, calendar. If you don't see it right away, scan the menu slowly. It's usually near the top or in the main section of the view settings. After you click on Layout, you'll see a list of layout types. Now, select Calendar. The moment you choose this, Notion will transform your current database view into a calendar layout. Each entry in your database that has a date property will appear as an item on the corresponding day. If nothing shows up yet, make sure your database has at least one date property, like date, due, or deadline. Notion uses this date property to place items on the calendar. You can create or edit entries directly on the calendar by clicking on a specific day and filling in the details, including the date, title, and any other properties you use. From here, you can drag and drop items to different days to reschedule them quickly, and use filters and sorts from the same settings menu to show only the tasks or events that matter to you. And that's it. By clicking the settings icon, going into Layout, and selecting Calendar, you've turned your Notion database into a functional calendar view that you can customize for your workflow.